the gateway to success. Knowledge Hub Coaching Center by Sri Chaitanya. Proud to announce that in this academic year, achieved results in IIT-Main, IIT-Advanced and NEET. In all 3 exams, 3 All India first ranks. Sri Chaitanya alone holds the hat-trick record. Welcome everyone to the Knowledge Hub Coaching Center, which is run under the able guidance of visionary directors. We are thrilled to have you here today for an exclusive in-house tour of our state-of-the-art facilities. Get ready to explore the space where dreams are nurtured, knowledge flourishes and success stories are created. All India ranks achieved by Sri Chaitanya in 2023.
The academic curriculum here is very challenging, but the teachers here are very helpful. They are very passionate about teaching and have helped me a lot of times and show equal and individual attention to every student. I am very thankful to this faculty and the Sri Chaitanya Knowledge Hub.
And reception. Our tour begins at the entrance where you will find our welcoming reception area. This is where students check in, receive updates and interact with our friendly staff. Our team is always here to support and guide you through your journey. Classrooms. Moving on, let's step into our spacious and technology-equipped classrooms. These rooms are designed to foster an optimal learning environment. With ergonomic seating and cutting-edge audiovisual aids, students can fully engage with their studies.
My experience with the branch has been amazing so far. Physics and chemistry are very tough for me, but the faculty are explaining everything very easily.
Library and Resource Center. Our Library and Resource Center is a treasure trove of knowledge. It's not just a collection of books, but also digital resources, research materials and quiet study areas. It's the perfect place for focused self-study and research. Discussion rooms. Collaboration is a key aspect of learning, and that's why we have dedicated discussion rooms. These are spaces where students can come together, engage in group studies, and exchange ideas under the guidance of their mentors.
Hi, this is Dhanush. I am from long-term batch of Sri Chaitanya Knowledge Hub. I have joined the Sri Chaitanya Knowledge Hub to achieve IIT seat. Here, the Knowledge Hub became a backbone to all students to achieve their goals.
Tech Lab. In today's digital age, technology plays a vital role in education. Our Tech Lab is equipped with the latest software and hardware, providing students with hands-on experience in various fields from coding to graphic design. Break area. Learning requires energy, and our break area is designed to provide a relaxing space for students to recharge during their breaks. It's important to strike a balance between study and relaxation.
My academic experience here in Knowledge Hub has been great. Not only in the academics, they also has provided great space for us to study. The air conditioner room, the smart boards, everything is so great. I feel so happy to be a part of Knowledge Hub. I'm very thankful to all the teachers here and all the faculty members.
Mentors Corner. The heart of our coaching center lies in our dedicated mentors. Let's visit the Mentors Corner, where students can seek guidance, clarify doubts, and receive personalized advice to excel in their studies. Success Wall. As you walk through our corridors, you will come across our Success Wall. This is where we proudly display the achievements of our students. It serves as a constant source of motivation and a testament to the hard work that leads to success.
Thank you, Sri Chaitanya Knowledge Hub.
Thanks to Sri Chaitanya Knowledge Hub and the faculty here.
Hybrid learning. Hyflex courses offer students exciting learning modes. Quality learning through online and offline. They receive classroom quality of studies in their home in online mode. Hybrid learning is the best option for those students who cannot attend classes regularly. And there you have it, a glimpse into the Knowledge Hub Coaching Center. We believe in the power of proper guidance, correct coaching, complete focus, and everyday progress. Our mission is to provide a nurturing environment where students can develop their skills, broaden their horizons, and reach their full potential. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you are ready to embark on your educational journey with us, we are excited to welcome you to the Knowledge Hub family. Feel free to reach out to our team for any further information. Until then, keep learning and reaching for the stars.